All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Today we're gonna be doing Singapore noodles. Here's our head chef, a beautiful woman. So she's gonna be taking us through the seasoning, the spices, and how the dishy how they do it. You understand me? So
Okay, hello. Good morning, everybody. So here at Jubitech, we're going to be doing or making Singapore noodles. The ingredients for making this delicious meal is rice sticks. That is particularly the very ingredients that you need, rice sticks. Not any other spaghetti or any other pasta, rice sticks. Basically, vermicelli rice sticks. So we're going to be needing rice sticks. We're going to be needing bell peppers, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, your seasoning, a little bit of atarodo. You know how we like it in Nigeria here. So a
yeah.
little bit of atarodo. You have your aromatics, which are your onions, your garlic, your ginger. These are the things that you're going to be needing to make your Singapore noodles. Let me take you through the process of making the Singapore noodle.
Stay tuned and don't touch the tab.
Of sesame oil. No, she's not. No, it's not missing. What is it? Yes. I have the beef, please. It's supposed to be cut into strips. Into strips. Just like how you have your carrots and your bell pepper. That is how it is. The reason I'm putting the carrots now, I've told you once before that carrot takes a longer time.
Now why are you adding the same oil?
I added some.
Yes. Why are you
I
adding?
could not perceive it. Sorry. Thank you. I don't have the tongue. Dark soy sauce. If in case, like I said, you can eat it with a side of beef stir fry sauce, right? You can eat it like that. But then, if you want to eat it with a side of beef stir fry, you're going to use light soy sauce, not dark. But because we're going to be eating this alone, that's the reason why I'm using dark soy sauce. I'm doing it outside here because this are home. It's no longer non-stick, it burns. If you have non-stick, please let it be on fire while we are doing it. Is that clear?
If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscription button. And put on your notification button so that you get our videos whenever we drop it. Thank